Hello drummers, let's work on line 45 together. It's called Essential Elements Quiz. William Tell. This is from a famous opera written by an Italian composer named Gioacchino Rossini back in the early 1800s, so almost 200 years ago. So let's take a look here at this piece, and it's got something new, and that is what's called an eighth rest. Okay, so let's take a look here. We know the eighth notes right here, T, T at the beginning. Okay, and then this is what a single eighth note looks like by itself. It's just a single T. It has this bar, but the bar is fallen down, and we call this a flag. Okay, so it's just got a flag on it. And so that's a T. And then this thing that looks like kind of a weird number 7 is an eighth rest. So we're going to say rest on it, but keep in mind the rest is only worth a half a count, like it's a silent T. Okay, and so then once again we have 3 eighth notes: T, 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 rest, T, T, and then here we have flams on a single eighth note. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and count through the song. Watch out here at the end. We got a series of eighth note buzzes, okay, which go pretty fast. And the dynamic marking is mezzo forte, so just medium loud. And notice that these 2 notes come before the first bar line, so these are pickup notes. Okay, these notes are going to start before the first measure. And so with that said, let's go ahead and count this song together. And I'm going to slow it down. It says 91. That's pretty fast. So let's take it down pretty slow. Let's take it down to 60 just for practice sake. Okay, and here we go. Let's not worry about saying flams or buzzes. We're just going to say on T's, okay, for eighth notes. So here we go. Ready? T, 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 rest. T, 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 rest. T, 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 rest. T, rest. T, rest. T, 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 rest. T, 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 rest. T, 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 rest. T, rest. T, rest. T, 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 rest. T, 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 rest. T, 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 rest. T, rest. T, rest. T, 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 rest. T, rest. T, rest. There's something that I didn't mention. Did you catch it? At the end, did you notice that it gets forte? It gets loud for the last 2 measures. So we got to get louder at the end. Okay? All right, so if you can do that, it's just the whole song is all eighth notes. Okay, eighth notes and eighth rests. If you can do that, then now let's do it again. But this time, let's replace these with the word flam and these with the word buzz on the buzz strokes. Okay, let's just say it again. Here it is. And go. T, 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 rest. T, 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 rest. T, T, flam, rest. Flam, rest. Flam, rest. T, 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 rest. T, 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 rest. T, T, flam, rest. Flam, rest. Flam, rest. T, 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 rest. T, 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 rest. T, T, flam, rest. Flam, rest. Flam, rest. T, T, buzz, 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 T, rest, flam, rest. Okay, all right, grab your sticks. Let's try playing it. Here we go, in position. Get those sticks aimed right down towards the practice pad, and please keep on counting out loud. It's so important you count when you play. It really helps you become more accurate as a drummer if you count. Okay, here we go. And play. T, 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 rest. T, 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 rest. T, T, flam, rest. Flam, rest. Flam, rest. T, 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 rest. T, 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 rest. T, T, flam, rest. Flam, rest. Flam, rest. T, 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 rest. T, 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 rest. T, T, flam, rest. Flam, rest. Flam, rest. T, T, buzz, 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 T, rest, flam, rest, flam, rest. Okay, if you did it, get that. You might want to rewind the video a little bit and practice it at that speed a few more times until you can master it. Once you got it at 60, you know what to do next. So let's go and pick up the speed faster. So I'm going to speed it up to 70. Let's try it at that speed. Here we go. 1, 2, and go. T, 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 rest. T, 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 rest. T, T, flam, rest. Flam, rest. Flam, rest. T, 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 rest. T, 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 rest. T, T, flam, rest. Flam, rest. Flam, rest. T, 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 rest. T, 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 rest. T, T, flam, rest. Flam, rest. Flam, rest. T, T, buzz, 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 flam, rest, flam, rest. Once again, if you didn't master it at that speed, then go back and do it again slower until you can master it, okay? Now, I'm going to go and pick it up to 80 beats per minute, but don't join me at 80 until you can master it at 70. So if you need to pause the video or go back and practice it, go ahead and do so. But otherwise, if you're ready, let's speed it up. So here we go. Let's take it up to 80. Okay, all right, good luck. Here we go. 1, 2, go. T, 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 rest. T, 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 rest. T, T, flam, rest. Flam, rest, flam, rest. T, 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 rest. T, 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 rest. T, T, flam, rest. Flam, rest, flam, rest. T, 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 rest. T, 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 rest. T, T, flam, rest. Flam, rest, flam, rest. T, T, buzz, 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 buzz. T, rest. Flam, rest, flam, rest. Okay, same thing. If you mastered at 80, that's great. Let's go faster. If you can't master it at that speed, then don't go on to the faster speed until you can master it. Okay, our performance speed is 91, so let's try it at 91. Good luck. Here we go. T, 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 rest. T, 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 rest. T, T, flam, flam, flam. T, 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 flam, flam, flam. T, 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 flam, flam, flam. T, T, buzz, 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 buzz. T, flam, flam. Now you might have noticed that I did something on that song, and that is I didn't say the word rest. I thought it, I felt it, and I did the rest by not playing on it, but I didn't say it because it's just a lot to say and it's hard to breathe otherwise. So let's try it one more time at full speed, and this time don't say the word rest. See if you can just feel it, okay? Here we go, last time. T, 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 flam, flam, flam. T, 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 flam, flam, flam. T, 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 flam, flam, flam. T, T, buzz, 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 buzz. T, flam, flam. All right, drummers, I hope that helps you. This is a fun one to play, and it's worth your practice time. So make sure you put some time into it till you can master it, okay? Thank you, drummers. I'll see you next time.